Good morning, children. We are continuing the revision of integers. Why? Because now we are following our new textbook. Already the chapters integers and fractions and decimals are explained to you. But according to new textbook, we have to take a revision on integers. So in the last class, I told you about multiplication of integers. Suppose I give you 4 into minus 2. It means 4 times minus 2 you want to take. That is, minus 2 is added 4 times. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. 4 times you are adding minus 2. 4 times you are adding minus 2. So, minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 8. That is, 4 times minus 2 is equal to minus 8. The same you can represent on number line. This is, say for example, 0. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. From 0 you want to move 2 units towards negative. Again from there 2 units, again from there 2 units, again from there 2 units. Totally you are moving 8 units towards the negative of integers. The negative of integers. So, the value of 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. Similarly, you can try 6 into minus 5. 6 times minus 5. That is, minus 5 you want to add 6 times. Minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5. It is equal to minus 30. 6 into minus 5 equal to minus 30. The same you can represent on number line by taking 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30. You are moving 5 units from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times you moved 5 units each on negative side of integers, and the product of 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. Like this, you can take the multiplication of integers. Already I explained you this. Now we are going to follow the next problem. Next, prepare a pattern to find minus 3 into 5 from 4 into 5. So, you want to prepare a pattern multiplying minus 3 into 5 from 4 into 5. So, you want to start from 4 into 5. So, solution I am writing. So, I start with this. 4 into 5 is equal to how much? Both are positive. So, the product is also positive. You have to remember, when the symbols are same, you are multiplying two integers. Both the integers are having the same sign, either positive or negative. The product is positive. 4 into 5 equal to 20. Next, 3 into 5 equal to 15. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 1 into 5 equal to 5. 0 into 5 equal to 0. Minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 5. Minus 2 into 5 equal to minus 10. And minus 3 into 5 equal to minus 15. So, if you observe the pattern, each time the value is decreased by 5. When you take 4 into 5, it is 20. When you take 3 into 5, it is 15. When you take 2 into 5, it is 10. 1 into 5, 5. 0 into 5, 0. Minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. And minus 3 into 5, it is minus 15. So, each time the value is decreased by 5 units. Next, another point, prepare a pattern, same model, from to find minus 7 into 3 from 5 into 3. So same question, we are writing the second one in continuation. Prepare a pattern minus 3 to 5 from 4 into 5. So I started with 4 into 5 and I ended at minus 3 into 5. Now I start with 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? 15. Next, 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 3, 3. 0 into 3, 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. I am continuing here. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 6 into 3, minus 18. Minus 7 into 3, minus 21. So we started with 5 into 3 and we ended at minus 7 into 3. This is the pattern we observe. Each time the product is decreased by 3 units or 3 values. First it is 15, reduced by 3, 12, reduced by 3, 9, reduced by 6, 3, 6, reduced by 3, 3, reduced by 3, 0. So each time the value is decreased by 3 units. So like this we get the pattern. This is how we prepare a pattern to find the product from particular value to particular value. From 4 into 5 you found up to minus 3 into 5. From 5 into 3 you found up to minus 7 into 3. I think you followed this. And another point you have to observe, when the integers have same sign, here both are positive. If you observe up to here, all are positive, so the product is also positive. From here, one is positive, the other one is negative, therefore you got the product as negative. So if the same sign integers are multiplied, you get positive. If different sign integers are multiplied, you get negative. Next, we take up, you try this as homework, you practice this. Prepare a pattern to find minus 5 into minus 4 from minus 5 into 3. Second one, this is first one. Prepare a pattern to find minus 7 into minus 2 from minus 7 into 5. These two you want to start with minus 5 into 3. And you have to end at minus 5 into minus 4. Similarly, you have to start at minus 7 into 5, end at minus 7 into minus 2. So this is the homework you have to do. Next, find the value of first one, minus 8 into minus 7. First you multiply 8 into 7. 8 into 7 it is 56. Minus into minus it is plus. Second one, minus 15 into minus 6. 15 into 6, 90. Minus into minus plus. Third one, minus 12 into minus 2. 12 into 2, 24. Minus into minus plus. Next, fourth one, minus 10 into minus 9. 10 into 9, 90. Minus into minus plus. This is how we get the product. You can observe here, both the integers are negative. In all the cases, the product is positive. So you are multiplying integers and integers have the same sign, then the product is positive. Two integers are multiplied having the same sign, the product is positive. You know, you do this as, note down this. Next. There are some activities which I will give you as activity test. If it is conducted, I will give you in that you have to write in a chart or in a paper, and that you have to submit. That I will tell you later, how to do the multiplication activity. I will do it. Not now, it will be done in another class. Now we are going to calculate some problems. A sum is full of water. A sump is full of water when the motor started pumping, the level of water decreasing 2 inches per minute. 2 inches per minute. Then what is the level of water? What is the level of water from the ground level after 20 minutes? So first you have to understand what is a sump. Sump is a pit which is dug on the ground up to some depth. Mostly it is observed in big cities, because in big cities the water problem will be there. Water available in the city is not sufficient for all the people. So they bring the water from outside, and particularly in summer the groundwater level will decrease. In such cases they bring the water from outside source and they fill the sump with water. It is now full of water. Motor is on, then the water is lifted to the tank. From there it is distributed to the houses, particularly in apartments. So the motor started pumping, the level of water decreasing. So when you switch on the motor, the water slowly decreases because it is pumped into the tank which is on the upper part of the apartment. So for every 1 minute, the water is decreased by 2 inches. Now we want to calculate how much the water level decreased after 20 minutes. So this we can call as rate of decrease per minute. Rate of decreasing of water per minute is equal to 2 inches. As it is decreasing, we can take it as -2. Why I took -2? Because the water level is going down. When you are going down from the ground level, the values are taken as negative. Ground level is taken as 0. So the level of water from the ground level after 20 minutes is equal to, for each minute the level is decreased by -2. Therefore, -2 inches, -2 into 20. So, the water level is decreased by -40 or 40 inches. 40 inches it is from the ground level. The water level is decreased. Therefore, I mentioned it with negative. Any doubt here? For each minute the water level is decreased by 2 inches, that is -2. After 20 minutes, the level of the water from the ground level is -40 inches. Next problem. An elevator begins from 20 meters above the ground. It descends means coming down. It descends into a mine shaft. Mines means generally coal mines, gold mines. So, to find gold or to find coal, you have to go underneath the earth. Bhoomi lopaliki vellali manam. So, in such cases, elevators are used. From ground level, the working people will go from ground level into the earth up to some feet depth, meters depth. So, in such case, the elevator is moving, descends the earth into the mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. What will be the position? What will be the position after 15 minutes? What will be its position after 15 minutes? So, at some time the elevator starts from the level of 20 meters above the ground level. It is moving into mine shaft. It is descending at the rate of 6 meters per minute. After 15 minutes, where the position of the shaft, elevator will be, you have to find. So, I start with that. Position of elevator is equal to 20 meters bracket low above ground. Above ground means it is plus. Ground is taken as 0. Rate of descent. Rate means speed. Rate of descent of elevator is equal to 6 meters per minute. It is taken as -6 meters. Therefore, last step, position of elevator after 15 minutes is equal to, it started at 20 meters plus it is going down at a rate of -6 meters underneath the earth. So, 15 into -6, 20 plus into minus 15 into 6, 90. So, it is at a level of 70 meters below the ground level. So, the elevator after 15 minutes, if you observe, it is at a depth of 70 meters from the ground level. From the level of 20 meters above the ground level, it moved into -70 meters below the ground level in a time of 15 minutes. Next, in a test, plus 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 3 marks are given for every incorrect answers. Lakshmi gets 45 correct and 15 incorrect answers. What is her score? So here there are two types of marks. One is positive, the other one is negative. If you answer the question correctly, you will get 5 marks for each question. If you answer the question incorrectly, you will get minus 3 marks. A girl, Lakshmi, gets 45 correct answers and 15 incorrect answers. What is her total score? So I will start writing solution. Marks for every correct answers is equal to 5 plus 5. How many questions correctly written? 45. So marks for 45 correct answers is equal to 45 into 5 gives us 225. Marks for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 3. How many incorrect answers are there? 15. So marks for 15 incorrect answers is equal to 15 into minus 3 is equal to minus 45. I will write here. Therefore, score of Lakshmi got two types of mark. One is positive, the other one is negative. If you add these two, you will get the total. 225 minus 45, it is equal to 180. So the total score of Lakshmi is 180 marks. 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer. Minus 3 marks are awarded for every incorrect answers. Lakshmi gets 45 correct answers and 15 incorrect answers. So the total score of Lakshmi is 45 into 5, 225. 15 into minus 3, minus 45. Sum of 225 and minus 45 is 180. Like this, you can get the answer. Next, exercise 1.1. The first 5 problems, I will keep you questions in the group. Go through all the questions, practice them and try to get the answers. If you didn't get any answer for the first 5, I will explain them in the next class. Now in the exercise, I am taking 6th question. First 5 you can try yourself. Very easy. Exercise 1.1, 6th question. A shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 5 on one notebook. So profit means plus. and loss rupees 3 on 1 pen by selling in the month of July. If he sells 1,500 books and 1,500 pens, find out his profit or loss. So on the whole, whether he get profit or loss, we want to find out. So what the shopkeeper is selling? He is selling notebooks and pens. On notebook, he is getting a profit of rupees 5. How many notebooks he sold? 1,500. And how many pens he sold? 1,500. Number of pens and number of books are same, but the profit on books is more. Therefore, you can understand, on the whole, the shopkeeper will get profit only. So I start with this solution. So what we want to find? Profit on 1,500 books. Profit on 1,500 books or notebooks is equal to 1,500 into, what is the profit on each notebook? 5 rupees. So it is rupees 7,500. 500, 500, 515, 75. Loss on 1,500 pens is equal to 1,500 into, what is the loss on each pen? 3 rupees minus 3. So it is rupees minus 4,500. So on the whole, you can observe, profit is 7,500 and loss is 4,500. Therefore, profit is more than loss. On the whole, profit equal to 7,500 minus 4,500. On the whole, the shopkeeper got a profit of rupees 3,000. You can observe it. Shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 5 on one notebook and a loss of rupees 3 on one pen by selling in the month of July. He sells 1,500 books and 1,500 pens. Find out his profit or loss. On the whole, you can clearly understand the shopkeeper get profit, because the profit on each notebook is more than the profit on each pen, and the number of pens and number of books sold are same. As the profit is more, on the whole, the shopkeeper gets a profit of rupees 3,000. So this is the sixth question. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag on white cement and a loss of rupees 6 per bag on grey cement. The company sells 2,000 bags of white cement and 3,000 bags of grey cement in a month. Find out its profit or loss. So this question also I will keep you in the group. The exercise questions will be kept in the group. You have to go through all the questions, but I will explain answer for this. You write the question from the message that is given in the WhatsApp. You note down from that. I will write the answers. So he is getting 8 rupees profit on white cement. Profit on each white cement. You can elaborate steps. In the previous problem, I wrote in a short form. You can write profit on each notebook, 5 rupees, loss on each pen. Like that also you can expand and write. And now I am writing in that way. Profit on each white cement bag is equal to rupees 8. Loss on each grey cement bag is equal to rupees 6. Profit on 2,000 white cement bags is equal to 2000 into 8. It is rupees 16,000. Loss on 3000 grey cement bags is equal to, as it is loss, you can mention that as -6. 3000 into -6, because it is loss, rupees -18,000. You can clearly observe, on the whole, the loss is more. Therefore, his loss on the whole, because the loss is more, is equal to 16,000 plus -18,000. You can observe 16,000 is positive, 18,000 is negative. When the symbols are opposite, you have to subtract. From 18, if you subtract 16, you will get 2,000, and the loss is -2,000. Rupees -2,000. A simple problem. Profit on each white cement bag is rupees 8. Loss on each grey cement bag equal to rupees 6. Number of white cement bags 2,000. Number of grey cement bags 3,000. Profit on 2,000 white cement bags 16,000. Loss on 3,000 grey cement bags equal to 18,000. We observe, on the whole, the loss is more, and it is a loss of -2,000. Adding the profit and loss on the whole, we got opposite integer subtraction, and the value is -2,000. So on the whole, the shopkeeper got a loss of rupees 2,000. Like this, we can do many more problems. In the next class, we will follow division of integers. So just I am going revision of integers from the new textbook. The concepts are same, the notes is same, only difference is a little bit in approach of the problems. Almost all these problems I explained you from the old textbook. Now these are problems given in the new textbook. So I will keep you exercise 1.1 in your group, so that follow all the questions and try to solve them. Thank you, children. We continue next class, division of integers.